Hello everyone, I'm Karen Naikar and I am an ex-student of St. Peter's College. I am from the batch 2016 to 2018. And if I had to pick one thing about Peters, which I absolutely love, then hands down it would be the faculty. The faculty is very approachable, affable, and extremely encouraging and supportive. If you have any sort of doubts, they are going to be there for you. They will clear your doubts. In fact, they just want students to come up to them and get their doubts cleared. And be it the lectures, be it the practicals, everything was conducted regularly and on time. I loved being at Peters. I loved listening to the lectures. Well, now coming to lectures, let's start with maths because I was very petrified of maths. Okay. And I was bad at math, but I had this fear of math in me that I cannot do it. Well, surprisingly, that fear in me vanished when I attended maths lecture because sir had simplified those problems and concepts for us, and I felt like I can do this thing. It's just like a piece of cake. My advice to all the JEE and NEET aspirants would be that kindly attend the lectures of physics and maths as much as you can because it's very important to get your basics cleared. You need to lay a very strong foundation, and to clear any sort of examinations, any competitive examinations, you really need to have a strong base in that subject and begin from zero, level zero, and that is when you will reach to the top. So do not miss the lectures because at the end of the year you would be in trouble, and we all want to score great marks. So it would be nice if you attend the lectures, get your doubts cleared, and have fun with the subject. Another important aspect is to feel safe and secure, and I have never once felt unsafe. I have always admired and respected the fact that there was always a watchman near the gate. And if you're a stranger, if you're a complete stranger without any appointments or anything of that sort, then you are denied entry. You cannot enter into the premises, and you have to familiarize yourself with the watchman. And I think that's really great in terms of safety and security. Currently, I'm pursuing my BA in English Literature, Political Science, and Economics. I'm also a bronze medalist of the 2019 Queen's Commonwealth Essay Competition. I received a bronze medal from one of the prestigious organizations based in the UK. And last month, I had the opportunity of publishing one of my poems on the Thinking Pen website, which will feature on Amazon Kindle this month. And I'm pretty excited. I thank Peters. I'm very grateful, and thank you for contributing immensely towards my personality. Thank you.